Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ronsah and today I am blow drying my hair using the Revlon one-step blow dryer. So the dryer has 3 settings, cool, low, and high. I'm going to start off with low heat. Also, when using this brush, you have to use it vertically instead of horizontally. Next, I go in with the Dax hair grease and rub it into my hair, then twist it and move on to the next section. Now, it's important to have your hair fully detangled before blow drying and start from ends to roots. After I do a few passes with low heat, I go in with cool air to finish the sections.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often.
Here's an important tip: before blow drying your hair, make sure your hair is freshly washed. I added a leave-in and a heat protectant for extra protection against the heat. When blow drying, make sure not to touch the upper half of the back of the brush because it gets very hot.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
The high heat setting was very hot, so I was too scared to use that setting. So I didn't really go for a really straight type of look.
usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
So far so good. The dryer is very effective and I'm finishing my hair a lot quicker.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. But since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual training.
So now that I'm done twisting, I am going to untwist all of them to see how my hair looks.
Put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya.
So here's my hair, and here's the back. Feels very soft and bouncy. And this is my hair combed out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.